Yo, welcome back to Trade Recap. Yeah, let's just jump right into this shit without further ado. Did take a trade today. So on the 4 hour, you can see that we had bearish order flow. So I took that into account, and then we could go down to the 5 minute. So on the 5 minute, we had marked out the Asian session, London session, and we'd seen that during London session, or during pre-market, we'd came out and taken out these lows, taken out these lows. So I necessarily wasn't looking to go short, even though that's the position I did take. That's just because that's what the opportunity that I had seen get presented whenever we were trading. But I was looking for longs. I wanted to long up to here. I mean, even if I did long up to there, take profits when I've been hit, it would have been a losing trade. So, kind of glad I didn't go long today. Um, Anyways, so we had these bearish for value gaps here. So you could see that we were kind of toying with. So we had this 5 minute one, and then this is also just a big 15 minute for value gap here. So I'd logged on and I'd seen that, hey, price pushed up into here. We could probably potentially see if we wanted to go back down to here, down to these levels, which, before I get ahead of myself, bruh, let me just put it on there. Bruh. Thank you. Okay. So I had seen that market before market open, we'd pushed past these highs, filled in more of this 15 minute for value gap. I was like, I bet if we want to go short, because we had already taken out the strong liquidity, I want to see this fair value gap get disrespected, which we did. But after it got disrespected, for me personally, I just wasn't enough. You know what I mean? I don't know why, because usually it is enough. But so it inversed this 1 minute fair value gap here, inversed this 5 minute fair value gap here. I still didn't enter there though. Drew out equilibrium, waited to price come into equilibrium, which we did, and then after that we had been kind of toying around making higher highs, right, or higher lows and higher highs as well. So it pushed up all the way up into here, really deep into equilibrium, and then after that I drew out my Fibonacci tool, drew it down from the low to the high, and I was like, I bet if we break the 79% and we break structure, I'm entering. Exactly what we did. Broke 79%, broke structure. I entered, I got filled right around here, and I was just targeting these lows, and then I was also targeting these lows down here. And then after I hit this take profit here, closed down some of my position, readjusted my stop loss to break even, and that's basically what happened. You can see that news came out bullish at 10 o'clock. So, well, even after hitting these lows, we started to, move back up to the upside. So I'm glad that I took some profits out, and it would have been really kind of shitty to have a losing trade. But that's why you always take profits, man. You never want to get greedy. You never want to hold your position too long. Take profits when you can. That's one thing that I learned, is you always got to take profits when you can. Always take money out of the market and take risk off the table when there's an opportunity to. So that is exactly what we did today. Yeah, pretty straightforward trade today. I mean, wasn't it crazy? RR was a 1 to 1.16, or 1 to 1.36. That's what it was. So it wasn't bad, you know what I mean? Pretty straightforward, really fast trade too, you know what I mean? So pretty goated, pretty smooth, you know what I mean? Anyways, fellas, if you liked this video, thought it was informational, maybe consider subscribing. Also, if you liked the video, drop a like. And I'll see you boys later. Peace out.